Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's class, we will learn how to say thanks and you're welcome in German. So let's begin with the class. Danke, thanks, thank you. That is the first word that you learn. Danke. Vielen Dank, many thanks. Vielen Dank. Tausend Dank, thousand thanks. When you say a lot of thanks, many thanks with regards, you can use Tausend Dank. Ich bin dir dankbar. I am thankful to you. Ich bin dir dankbar. Danke, gleichfalls. Thanks, same to you. Gleichfalls, same to you. Ich möchte mich recht herzlich bedanken. I would like to thank you sincerely. Ich möchte mich recht herzlich bedanken. Now we see how to say you're welcome in German. Bitte. Bitte. You're welcome. Bitte schön. Bitte sehr. You're very welcome. It's more polite. Bitte schön. Bitte sehr. Gern geschehen. Gern geschehen. Done gladly. Gern geschehen. Like we say, my pleasure. Done gladly. Nichts zu danken. Nichts zu danken. Nothing to thank for. No need to say thanks. Nichts zu danken. Kein Problem. Kein Problem. No problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time with the new video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.